Hi students, welcome to our maths class. Today we are going to see chapter 15 probability. Introduction. The theory of probability is also known as mathematics of chance. Initially it was related to gambling, racing, which people used to bet on numbers, outcomes such as tossing a coin, throwing a die, etc. But later it was found that it has wider application in real life and a very effective tool for future prediction and course of action. For example, it will probably rain today. I doubt that he will pass the test. Students listen. First one, it will probably rain today. Here there are two possibilities. What are they? First, whether it rains or not rains. Okay. Then second one, I doubt that he will pass the test. Here there are two possibilities. What are they? Whether he will pass or he will fail. Okay, students. If we toss a coin, we either get head or tail. Okay. Similarly, if we throw a die, we get either 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Now you just take a coin. If we toss a coin, total number of chances there are 2. Or how many possibilities? Total number of possibilities 2. Okay. Here probability of getting a head is 1 by 2. Probability of getting a tail, that is 1 by 2. So total number of chances here 2 only, because 1 head, 1 tail. Okay. Then approaches to probability. There are two approaches: experimental or empirical or observed frequency approach, classical approach, axiomatic approach. In this chapter, we will study about the first one. What is that? Experimental or empirical approach. Experimental or empirical approach to probability. The experiment means an operation which can produce some well-defined outcomes. There are two types of experiments, namely deterministic and random or probabilistic. Empirical probability. Definition: let there be n trials of one experiment and e be an event associated to it such that e happens in m trials. Then the empirical probability of happening of event e is denoted by p of e and is given by p of e and is given by p of e equal to m by n. Here n denotes total number of trials, m denotes number of trials in which the event happens. So P of E, that is equal to m by n, number of trials in which the event happens divided by total number of trials. Clearly 0 less than or equal to m less than or equal to n. Therefore 0 less than or equal to P of E. Students listen. P of E always should be in between 0 and 1. 0 less than or equal to P of E less than or equal to 1. Thus, the probability of happening of an event always lies between 0 and 1. This is very important question. One word question. This will be asked in exam. So, listen once again. The probability of happening of an event always lies between 0 and 1. P of E equal to 1. Then, E is called a certain event. Okay. If P of E equal to 1, then E is called a certain event. And E is known as an impossible event when if P of E equal to 0. Okay. Then see this example. A coin is tossed 20 times. The number of times head occurred is 12 and tail occurred is 8. What is the probability that a tail will turn up on the coin? Okay, students. Here there are 4 answers. We have to select any one answer. Here, students, total number of outcomes, what is that? 20. Okay, number of favorable outcomes 8. That means here question is what is the probability of that a tail? What is the probability of that a tail will turn up on the coin? So number of favorable outcomes, number and tail occurred is 8 only. So number of favorable outcomes, that is equal to 8. Probability of getting tail on the coin, that is equal to number of favorable outcomes divided by total number of outcomes. What is the total number of outcomes? 20. So that is 8 by 20, that is equal to 2 by 5. So the option B is correct here. Is it clear? Then Second example, a bag contains 12 red, 10 blue, 21 green and 7 white balls. What is the probability of taking out a blue ball? What is the probability of taking out a blue ball? Here, total number of balls, you can easily say what is that? 12 plus 10 plus 21 plus 7. What is that? 50. Okay, so total number of balls 50. N is 50. P of E equal to M by N. Here N is 50. Okay, number of blue balls. We need the probability of taking out a blue ball only. So number of blue balls 10. Number of blue balls 10. So number of blue balls equal to 10. Probability of getting a blue ball, that is equal to number of blue balls divided by number of balls. So that is equal to 10 by 15. 10 by 50. That is equal to 1 by 5. So answer B is the correct answer. Is it clear? Then one more example. A deck of 20 cards has 5 black cards and 15 red cards. One card is drawn without looking at the cards. What is the chance that it is black? What is the chance that it is red? This is very easy question, students. Number of possible outcomes 20. Okay, because totally 20 cards. Okay, number of black cards 5. Number of black cards 5 and 15 red cards. Okay, so chance of drawn card is black, that is 5 by 20, that is equal to 1 by 4. Is it clear? Number of red cards, that is equal to 15. Chance that the drawn card is red, that is equal to 15 by 20, that is equal to 3 by 4. Students, listen. If you add 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4, that is equal to 4 by 4. If you cancel it, answer is equal to 1. P of E equal to 1. Is it clear? Then some important one-word questions. These questions will be asked in your exam. So please listen carefully. Mark the correct alternative in each of the following. The probability of an impossible event is, students listen, impossible event, that means nothing. Okay, so 0 is the answer. 0 is the answer. Then the probability of a certain event is, certain event, that means sure event. So 1 is the answer. Okay, the probability and event of a trial is, the probability and event of a trial is, that means less than 1. Okay, more than 1 it's not possible. 0, no. 1, the event of a trial, here trial is there, so less than 1 is answer. Okay, which of the following cannot be the probability of an event? Which of the following cannot be the probability of an event? 1 by 3, 3 by 5 and 1. Students listen, 1 by 3, if you divide 1 by 3, then you can get 0. What is that? 0.666 something. Okay, 0.66. Okay, then 3 by 5, that is also 0. Something. 0. What is that? 30 and 65. So 0.6 something. Okay, then 5 by 3. Here 1 is 1. So okay, that is a certain event. If certain event is there, P of E equal to 1. So that is also right. But take 5 by 3. Cannot be the probability. Here we have to find which of the following cannot be the probability. So take 5 by 3. Take 5 by 3. Okay. Take 5 by 3. 5 by 3, that means 1 3 are 3, 20, 1.66. Okay. So 1.666. Okay. So here students listen, 1.6, that means this is more than 1. 1.6 is more than 1, greater than 1. So which of the following cannot be the probability of an event? 5 by 3. This is correct answer. Okay. 2 coins are tossed simultaneously. The probability of getting almost one head is. Students listen. If we toss a coin, there are 2 possibilities. What are they? H, T. Head, tails. Okay. Here, if we toss 2 coins at a time, okay, there are 4 chances. What are they? H, T, okay, then HT, then TH. So there are 4 possibilities. Here the probability of getting almost one head, That means here one head, then here two head, almost one head. That means here there are three chances. So once again I repeat it. Listen students. Okay, so there are four possibilities. What are they? HH, TT, HT and TH. Okay, here question is the probability of getting almost one head is, that is here one head, here two head is there. So okay, take one head. So the probability of getting almost one head is, that is 1, 2, 3. 3 chances. So 3 by 4. Total chances 4. Total number of chances 4. Okay. So 3 by 4 is the correct answer. Is it clear students? Good. Thank you. Thank you so much.